Okay guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Banking Crypto Night. So guys, in this video I have another platform for you which you can use to make more money. You can earn at least 16.70% on it daily, and the minimum you can start with is $12. Remember, in my last video about platform that looks like this, I make a videos about another platform or that video that is still paying. Even up to today, that platform is still paying, and the one I make before this one, that one is still paying also. That one is 10 days today, while the other one is 23 days old today. Why this one? If you are seeing this one right now, this one is a day old. That is, it was just launched today. To make my statement, to prove my statement for you, let me go to those two platforms and let me show it to you, my withdrawals there, that to show it to you that they are still paying. So let me go there. So this is the one I make before I make this one. If I click on my account, you can see the total amount I have withdrawn so far. You can see it here, 27.61, and I deposit only $9. This on this platform I am making $1.62 every day. $1.62. Let me show you my withdrawals on this app so you can see it here. These are my withdrawal: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 days old. I think, yes, let me see, it's like I miss a day. Yes, 8 days old. This platform is currently 8 days old. I make a mistake. It's 8 days old, not 10 days yet. Not 10 days yet. 8 days old. So let me show you something. You can see that I've withdrawn every day on it, and it is just 8 days old. Let me go and show you. I only deposit $9. I've earned up to this. Let me go to the first one and show it to you. That one is still paying. So you can see this one right here. This is the first one, and this one is 28 days old. 28 days old. You can see this one. So if I click on, and I have withdraw $56 on this one, I only deposit $8. So if I check my transaction details here, let's go to withdrawal. You can see today I still withdraw today on this one. Today, you can see, check the dates, you can see I still withdraw on this one. If you are on my WhatsApp group, you will see everything there. I share as I withdraw every day. I still withdraw on this one. So if you are here and you are seeing this platform for the first time, this is the ABC AQ AI count. AI count. ABC AI count. That is the name. This is how this platform work. The minimum deposit is $12, and you will be earning $2 every day for over 120 days. You can earn $2 every day. Immediately you deposit, you can withdraw immediately today. I'm going to show it to you, because if you check my account here, you see that I have not earned anything yet. I just deposit, but I have not earned anything. I have no withdraw, and I'm going to show you how to withdraw in this video. So if you look here, you are going to see $42. This $42, if you deposit $42, will be earning $77 every day. In less than I think in 6 days, you will earn back your capital. In 6 days, 2 times 6, 12, you have earned back your capital. 7 times 6, 42, you have earned back your capital in just 6 days. From 7th days go onward, you can start making your own personal profit. Remember, that first one is 28 days old right now, and the other one is 8 days old right now. Though that means I've earned my profit, my capital, and I've started earning profit on it. So if you are interested, if you want to do it, this is what you're going to do. You have to click on recharge here, then This is the wallet address you are to send the money into. TRC20 USDT TRC20. The minimum you should send it to it is $12, 12 USDT. Copy the wallet address you see on your own and transfer the money into it. Immediately the money comes into your account, it will automatically upgrade your levels to either level 1 you subscribe to, or 2, or level 3, 4, 5. So after that, and you see that the money has appears in your wallet here, the next thing to do is to click on quantify here. Click on quantify. Then this is where you are going to perform your task. Just do the simple task and you will earn your money. Just click here, just click on here, tap on it. That is it. Quantification successfully. You can see I have earned $2 right now. If you look at here, you can see I have earned $2 right now. If you want to withdraw, just click on withdraw here. Click on withdraw. Go to your any of your wallet address, copy your withdrawal address from there and bind it with this platform. Your USDT wallet address, bind it with this platform, input the amount you want to withdraw here. I'm going to do everything now, so let me go and copy my withdrawal address and bind it to this platform for withdrawal. So I have done that. You can withdraw to your Trust wallet, your MetaMask, any of your crypto wallets, or your exchanges, Binance, Bybit, Ubits, anyone. You can withdraw into it. Now click on select withdrawal method here. Then paste the withdrawal. Click on add wallet. Then click on add to. Paste the withdrawal wallet you copy, USDT TRC20. Paste it here and click enter here and input your withdrawal password. So I've input my withdrawal password. Now click on submit. As you can see, success. Right now I have bind my wallet address with this platform. Now I want to make withdraw. Now click on withdraw and input the amount you want to withdraw here. $2. That is the amount. That is the minimum you can withdraw. Minimum is $2. Input your withdrawal password. Now click on confirm withdrawal. Please select withdrawal method. Click here, select the wallet address. Now click on confirm withdrawal. That is it. Application for withdrawal successful. As you can see, total withdraw. As you can see, total revenue. I have withdraw $2 just now. If you want to see the withdrawal, the withdrawal history, let's find it out. Click up here, you see the withdrawal history in here. You see it here. So as you can see, withdrawal successful. Trust wallet has already notified me that money has come into my account. You can see it up here. You can see the Trust wallet notification up here. So now let me go to my Trust wallet and show it to you there. So you can see it here just now. You can see it. That is it. $2. $2. You can check the time. You can check the time. Check the time up here and look at the time. So the platform is a new platform and is paying. All this money you see here, although I have transferred part of it out, I got it from these two platforms that I show to you. I got it from them. So that is it. That is everything you need to know about this platform. Everything you need to know. Everything you need to know. Everything I believe you want to know about it. That is just it. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you will take this opportunity very fast. I hope you take it very quick. So guys, thank you for watching. Goodbye for now. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that anytime I drop another video, you'll be the first person to see the video notification on your phone screen. Right now I am dropping another one again. I'm dropping another one that looks exactly like this, so you can do the two together also if you have your money. So right now, goodbye for now.